Welcome to this video about Google Trends for YouTube. Google Trends is a great tool to help you track the most popular search terms and topics on YouTube. In this video, we'll show you how to use Google Trends to get the most out of your YouTube content. First, let's look at the Google Trends homepage. You can use the search bar to find the topics and keywords you're interested in. You can also filter the results by location and time period, so you can get the most up-to-date information. After you've searched for your topics, Google Trends will show you how popular your keywords are on YouTube. You can also compare the popularity of two different topics and get an idea of which one is more popular. In addition to tracking the popularity of your topics, you can also use Google Trends to get ideas for new content. Just search for related topics and you'll see which ones are the most popular. Finally, you can use Google Trends to track the performance of your content. Just search for your video or channel and you'll be able to see how popular it is. This can be a great way to measure the success of your content and make sure you're creating the kind of content your viewers want to see. That's it for this video on Google Trends for YouTube. Thanks for watching.